168. I like your smile. Yes, I really like your smile. Your smile is very nice. 169. Please clean the floor. Clean the floor, please. Yes, clean the floor now. 170. Don't close the window. Please don't close the window. Keep the window open. 171. I want to eat pizza. Yes, I want to eat pizza. I feel like eating pizza. 172. Please help your brother. Help your brother, please. Yes, help your brother now. 173. Don't make fun of me. Please don't make fun of me. Don't laugh at me. 174. I like traveling. Yes, I really like traveling. I enjoy traveling a lot. 175. Please switch on the fan. Turn on the fan, please. Yes, switch on the fan. 176. Don't be scared. Please don't be scared. Don't feel afraid. 177. I am very serious. Yes, I'm very serious. I'm not joking, I'm serious. 178. Please wait outside. Wait outside, please. Yes, wait outside for me. 179. Don't throw stones. Please don't throw stones. Stop throwing stones. 180. I like playing games. Yes, I really like playing games. I enjoy playing games. 181. Please take your seat. Sit down, please. Yes, take your seat now. Osuta opcich shidoi. Don't run too fast. Please don't run too fast. Don't run quickly. 183. I am very short. Yes, I am short. I am a short person. 184. Please pay attention. Pay attention, please. Yes, listen and pay attention. 185. Don't use bad words. Please don't use bad words. Don't speak bad words. 186. I like flowers. Yes, I really like flowers. I love beautiful flowers. 187. Please open your bag. Open your bag, please. Yes, open your bag now. 188. Don't make the same mistake. Please don't repeat the mistake. Don't do the same mistake again. 189. I am very tall. Yes, I am tall. I am a tall person. 190. Please change your clothes. Change your clothes, please. Yes, change your clothes now. 191. Don't push me. Please don't push me. Stop pushing me. 192. I like singing. Yes, I really like singing. I enjoy singing songs. 193. Please follow the rules. Follow the rules, please. Yes, follow all the rules. 194. Don't be sad. Please don't be sad. Don't feel sad. 195. I am very fat. Yes, I am fat. I am overweight. 196. Please stop here. Stop here, please. Yes, stop at this place. 197. Don't jump on the bed. Please don't jump on the bed. Stop jumping on the bed. 198. I like dancing. Yes, I really like dancing. I enjoy dancing a lot. 199. Please read this book. Read this book, please. Yes, read this book now. 200. Don't laugh at others. Please don't laugh at others. Stop laughing at others. 201. Please clean the room. Please clean the room now. Can you clean the room, please? 202. I'm really busy today. Yes, I am very busy today. I'm quite busy today. 203. The phone is ringing. Yes, the phone is ringing. I think the phone is ringing. 204. Please pick up the phone. Can you pick up the phone? Pick up the phone, please. 205. I'll call you later. Yes, I will call you later. I'll call you back later. 206. Who is calling? Can you tell me who is calling? Who's on the line? 207. Please bring me a glass of water. Can you bring me some water? Please get me a glass of water. 208. Don't make excuses. Please don't make excuses. Stop making excuses. 209. I need to charge my phone. Yes, I have to charge my phone. My phone needs charging. 210. Where is the charger? Do you know where the charger is? Can you find the charger? 211. Please close the window. Can you close the window? Close the window, please. 212. I have an idea. Yes, I got an idea. I have a good idea. 213. Don't waste time. Please don't waste time. Try not to waste time. 214. I'm getting late. Yes, I am getting late. I'm running late. 215. Let's go shopping. Shall we go shopping? Yes, let's go for shopping. 216. I'll pay the bill. Yes, I will pay the bill. I'll handle the bill. 217. Who will cook today? Can you tell me who will cook today? Who is cooking today? 218. It's getting dark. Yes, it's getting dark now. The sky is getting dark. 219. Please wake me up early. Can you wake me up early? Wake me up early, please. 220. Don't touch it. Please don't touch it. Don't touch that, okay? 221. Please wait for me. Can you wait for me? Wait for me, please. 222. I don't like this. Yes, I really don't like this. I'm not liking this. 223. That's not possible. No, that's not possible. It is simply not possible. 224. I'm telling the truth. Yes, I'm speaking the truth. I really am telling the truth. 225. Do you trust me? Can you trust me? Do you believe me? 226. Please don't argue. Don't argue, please. Stop arguing now. 227. I forgot my keys. Yes, I completely forgot my keys. I left my keys. 228. Please remind me later. Can you remind me later? Remind me about it later, please. 229. It's too noisy here. Yes, it's very noisy here. There is too much noise here. 230. Please lower your voice. Can you lower your voice? Speak softly, please. 231. Don't forget to call. Please don't forget to call. Remember to call, okay? 232. I'm feeling lazy. Yes, I feel very lazy. I'm so lazy right now. 233. Please be on time. Can you be on time? Be on time, please. 234. It's very hot today. Yes, it's so hot today. Today is really hot. 226. I'm feeling cold. Yes, I feel cold. I'm so cold right now. 236. Please give me some space. Can you give me some space? Give me space, please. 237. Let's meet tomorrow. Yes, let's meet tomorrow. We should meet tomorrow. 238. Don't worry about me. Please don't worry about me. Don't worry. I'll be fine. 239. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm coming now. I'm on the way. 240. I'm very tired. Yes, I feel so tired. I am really tired. 241. Please listen carefully. Can you listen carefully? Listen carefully, please. 242. I don't believe this. No, I just don't believe this. I really don't believe it. 243. What are you thinking? Can you tell me what you're thinking? What's on your mind? 244. Please answer me. Can you answer me? Answer me, please. 245. I was about to call you. Yes, I was just going to call you. I was about to give you a call. 246. Don't be afraid. Please don't be afraid. Don't be scared, okay? 247. I'll handle this. Yes, I will take care of this. I'll manage this. 248. Don't worry. I'm here. Yes, I am right here. Don't worry, I'm with you. 249. I'm not feeling well. Yes, I feel unwell. I'm not well today. 250. Please call the doctor. Can you call the doctor? Call the doctor, please. 251. I'm feeling better. Yes, I feel much better. I'm doing better now. 252. Take your medicine. Please take your medicine. Don't forget your medicine. 253. I don't like waiting. Yes, I hate waiting. I don't enjoy waiting. 254. Please come quickly. Can you come quickly? Come fast, please. 255. Who told why?